Good day, YouTubers. Pwalpar here today, and you're in the railroad corner down here in my shop. I've spent some time cleaning off the workbench today. I wired up my lights. I got my flasher hooked up. I did not hook them up where they would flash separately. They're both on the same flasher, like emergency flashers in a car. We're going to give them their first official test run here on YouTube. I appreciate all my viewers that have tuned into my power supply project. Now let's get to panning around here and see what we can do about these lights. Contact left, contact right, check it out, dude. Them things are flashing real cool. You can hear the flasher clicking over there just like in an automobile. Let's try it in the dark. I'll have to cross in front of the camera to turn off the light. Right about now I could tell you a ghostly tale. That would come over real cool. I appreciate the support I got from all my viewers during my power supply project. You were all very helpful. I had to walk 3 different directions to turn all the lights off. Yes sir, when I get ready to activate the railroad corner, it's just a matter of flipping a couple of switches. I'm pretty sure my camera's picking up that clicking. I'll show you what I did. In fact, this will be a good point to switch to the GoPro. I took a electrical outlet, not this type, one you can nail down. It's got 2 nails. And nailed it right to the workbench right there. Then I cut a hole, put my flasher down in the top right there. My switch, I just put in here. Now it wouldn't quite, it's got an overhang here, so I had to grind off the bottom of it where it would sit flush. But it makes it quick and handy to get to when I want to turn my lights off and on. I've got the ability to run 12 volts if I want to charge some batteries or something over here. I don't have to turn my railroad corner on. I can leave it off and work with my power supply over here. All my wires are just finger tight. But I'm right tickled with my little project. The flashers, I bought 2 of them on eBay. It's just, here, I'll show you one of them. I only used one. I thought about rigging the lights up where, you know, they would flash separate, but both of them flashing at the same time is just fine with me. Save me from running new wires right now. It's just a regular flasher like comes in a car. A 2-prong flasher. Now it's got a X on one of these posts. That's where you connect the hot wire from the battery or from your power source. Your 12-volt power source goes to X. This one here goes to the switch. The other side of the switch comes off and goes to my lights on the wall. My ground is hooked straight to the chassis over there. So this doesn't have to be grounded. And if my flasher goes bad, I got a reserve here. And it was cheaper than buying them electronic flasher that doesn't want to work right anyway with this regular lights. Electronic flashers they have on the market today are designed for LEDs and stuff, and they work way too fast. But I'd say that's just about the right speed. There's a train coming, and Pwalpars are going. Thanks for tuning in today, my friends. This Pwalpar wishing one more last comment. I got a fuse holder here that I'm going to put in that line, but I didn't have a blade fuse. It takes a blade fuse, you just stick right on there. And that way if it ever shorts out, I'm covered. But for now, it's working without the fuse holder. But that'll go right in this line right here. Thanks for tuning in. This is Walter saying y'all have a good evening.